Flip phones are back, but with AI. The Rabbit R2 dropped at CES 2025, a pocket-sized gadget that chats like a pro and runs your life. Shipping this April, sources called it quirky yet clutch, and early adopters are hooked. Ready to see why this little guy's trending? Let's go! Hey Tech Squad, welcome back to the channel. The Rabbit R2, unveiled at CES, is stealing hearts with its retro flip phone vibe and next-level AI smarts. Think natural language chats and task automation in a package. People call it quirky yet practical. It's shipping now and early adopters are buzzing. Today we're unpacking what makes this pocket pal a big deal. Let's hop in. So what's the Rabbit R2? Picture CES 2025. Rabbit Ink flips open a tiny orange gem, 2.9 inches, matte finish, and a hinge that screams Y2K nostalgia. It's the R1's glow up. 20,000 of those sold out fast last year, and this one's packing upgrades. A 2.88-inch touchscreen, a scroll wheel, and a 360-degree rabbit eye camera make it pop. The real juice? Natural language processing that's silky smooth. Say, order me a pizza, and it's done. Plus, its large action model automates tasks like booking flights or blasting playlists. People are saying that it's a practical oddball, and ex-posts from CES agree. It texted my mom for me, and this thing's my new BFF. Shipping started April 1st. 10,000 units have gone in hours. Why is this trending? It's the vibe. Retro meets futuristic. That flip phone look hooks you, but the AI keeps you. It's not a phone. Rabbit calls it a companion, running on Rabbit OS, not Android or iOS. You talk, it listens, and it acts. No app juggling needed. Early adopters are raving. Scheduled my week in 10 seconds, they're saying, and people love how it skips smartphone clutter for focused task magic. Battery's a solid 10 hours, and it's Wi-Fi plus cellular ready. The buzz? It's a $199 steal, cheaper than the R1's $299, the quirky alternative to screen-heavy slabs. CES crowds flipped, and US pre-orders are soaring. Early adopters see it as 2025's sleeper hit. Let's break it down. The perks: that AI is a beast. Voice commands feel human, and task automations like having a PA in your pocket. The camera scans stuff, think recipes off a box, and the design's a conversation starter. Sources say it's for curious tinkerers, and ex-users say paid my bills while I napped. But quirks? No app store yet. Rabbit's ecosystem is tight, with 50 rabbits. Think mini programs at launch. Some ex-posts gripe needs more integrations and it's not replacing your phone, just tagging along. Still, at 2.1 ounces, it's lighter than AirPods Pro. And that flip? Pure dopamine. Practicality meets personality. This thing's got soul. Here's the scoop. The R2 shipped April 2025, and it's a wearable tech curveball. Unveiled at CES, it's not just a gadget, it's a vibe for early adopters who love quirky innovation. Imagine a sidekick that handles the small stuff: texts, bookings, reminders, while you live your life. X-Chatter says smartphones feel old now. Users are saying it's gonna spark a companion trend. Summer might bring software tweaks, but right now it's a fresh take on AI you can hold. Are you ready to flip into the future? Team R2 or sticking with your phone? Drop your take in the comments.